Hello there and welcome. Thanks for taking the time to stop by 180 Renovations. Welcome to the home of fair and dependable home remodeling. We're out of Wichita, Kansas and the surrounding areas. Chances are you found us looking around trying to find out if 180 Renovations is a good fit for your project. The purpose of this video, in addition to giving you the warmest welcome possible, is to give you an opportunity to learn about me on a personal and professional level, beginning with how I got started. My name is Hader Rocha, the owner and founder of 180 Renovations. This all started in the year 2020, that year where everything got shut down. Around that time, I had recently gotten married. My wife and I bought our first home knowing that there were going to be a few renovations that needed to be made. In my mind, I thought, okay, great. There's just a few things here that we can fix. And boy, did we find out. The few renovations that needed to be done ended up becoming a full reconstruction of the entire home. This included completely gutting the entire kitchen and the entire bathroom. This was a massively huge inconvenience considering that my wife was with child and ended up having to move in with the in-laws, all while I was working as a surgical technologist. All of that while taking on a huge renovation project because we just couldn't find a dependable contractor. This self-renovation experience we had forced us to create more space for our home. In the midst of what seemed to be a nightmarish horror story is where I discovered something satisfying about the process of remodeling. There's nothing like taking something old, ruined, or completely destroyed and turning it into a delightful masterpiece. It was around the time of these moments when I made the decision to make a big change and start this business. The name 180 Renovations comes from a simple concept of making a 180-degree turnaround. Enough about me. Let's talk about the primary reason you should consider 180 Renovations. As stated, I started 180 Renovations so that you could overcome the same challenges I had when it comes to projects that require remodeling or even reconstruction. You can depend on us and rest assured that we will be fair no matter the project or the surrounding circumstances. When you find us a good fit, you can give us a call or click any request a quote button and we'll be in touch within 24 hours during the week and 72 hours during the weekend. With that being said, thanks for taking the time to stop by 180 Renovations. We look forward to hearing from you soon.